How to install Play Store and download apps without hassle, step-by-step guide. Welcome back to the New Tech World Order, your go-to place for tech tips that actually make your life easier. Today, I'm going to show you a simple way to install the Play Store on your PC and how to download and install your favorite apps, even without a phone. Sounds cool, right? So stick around till the end. Let's kick things off with how to install the Play Store. Start by opening your Chrome browser. In the upper right corner, click on those three dots, that's your menu. From there, head to Google Play. Now here comes the trick, click the three dots again, go to More Tools, and select Create Shortcut. Make sure you tick the Open as Window option, and then hit Create. Boom! You've just installed the Play Store as a standalone app on your PC. Now, let's move on to how to download apps. Search for any app you want to install. Let's use Calculator as an example. Once you find it, right-click on the app title and choose Copy Link Address. Next, open a new tab in Chrome and search for APK Pure. This is one of the safest third-party app stores. Click the first result, and once the site opens, paste the copied link into the search bar. Just like that, the same app will pop up. Hit the green Download APK button. And there you go, your APK file is now saved and ready to use. Alright, now for the final part, how to install apps using this APK. Open a new tab and search for SmartGAGA. It's a lightweight Android emulator for your PC. Scroll down a bit and click on the official download link. Let me give you a heads up, the file size is around 286 megabytes, so make sure you have some space. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder, find the setup file, and double-click to start the installation. Give it a few seconds, and once installed, open SmartGAGA. From the app drawer, click on the third button and type the name of the app you downloaded. Click Open and voila, the app is ready to use right on your PC. Now here's the deal, if this video made your tech life easier, do me a favor, hit that like button, share it with someone who's struggling with app installs, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel for more simple, no-nonsense tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one on the New Tech World Order.